less interesting Steve is a plant alien who plans to take over the Earth. Since everyone's busy on their phones, they fail to notice the spores infecting them, turning them into zombies. Lisa and Bart go to the police for help, but even the chief falls victim. They try to escape with Lou's help, but to no avail.
There is no hope.
The plants engulf Lisa, giving her very weird hallucinations. It's like getting high and having an acid trip. Lisa awakens with two strange plant-looking aliens helping her get up. They welcome her into what they call paradise. All of Springfield is here, including her parents. The plant aliens explain that they saved them from being pod people.
iPod people, phone checkers, tablet gazers.
However, the aliens' efforts of a utopia with no technology turn futile as I see the Simpsons holding up smartphones. Apparently, the living room Christmas tree gave those to them. So much for a happy ending. So now you know.
The great state of Missouri was founded August 10th, 1821. So it's founded in a snake year, just like Florida, just like Texas, which basically means if you're a snake, if you're a rooster, if you're born in an ox year, this is a good location for you. But if you're born in pig energy, if you're born in the year of the pig, this is not the place for you to be living in the United States of America.
Back in 1992, there were about 10 times as many Americans who would report daily or near daily use of alcohol as compared to daily or near daily use of cannabis. And in 2022, for the first time, it reversed. And there were actually more Americans self-reporting that high-frequency use of cannabis as opposed to alcohol. So some of it is just a general repositioning of the substance in society so that it is less stigmatized or disapproved, and also there's fewer literal risks of using in a criminal justice sense. But also importantly, prices collapsed. Price per gram of cannabis has gone down quite a bit. Cannabis smoke has carcinogens. It has about the same amount of carcinogens per gram as when smoking tobacco. People are using fewer grams per day than a tobacco smoker, but when you're using daily or near daily, the total load of carcinogens is not necessarily negligible. And then also just daily and near daily users are spending a substantial proportion of their waking hours under the influence, and the direct intoxicating effects affect things like short-term memory and performance in cognitive tasks.
The study actually is pointing out the good and the bad, and I think that keeping it away from childhood brains is very important to highlight. And it's a normal, everyday thing, and it's about time studies are reflecting that. And there's so many actual benefits to using cannabis, not just, getting high, but there are tremendous amounts of medical benefits for using cannabis. So I think it should be way more socially accepted than alcohol.
Strain whatever you want, you can get indica sativa, never rolling plain Jane. I know some people, if you want drop 50, we ain't gon' cop any. Little mama got plenty, so many strain, pumping the flame, nothing but dro. One for the brain, one for the body, one for the soul. Running with strange, keeping the party under control. Up, away, flying, how far are we gonna go? Smoke team in the building, got 'em, it's what the deal is. Recognize coming with Burns, Felix fulfilling, County boy, got the liquor. Castle was on a fader, Stevie came with the greenery, mixing multiple flavors, whatever you want, homie. Tell me when to say when. How about you and your friends? Come get with me and my friends and keep it real with me, girl. I don't want to pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's